TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN just after 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And we got markets in positive territory. S&Ps kick things off, up by 20 points right now. Markets catch a lift on the open. That's about 0.3% in the positive for the S&Ps at 6,041. NASDAQ 100 up by 0.9%. We're coming right up to the highs where we were last night at about 6 p.m. Eastern Time when the futures market opened, also kind of where we were last Friday. So we filled the gap. We're right back to a critical area. We'll see if we can break above this area with some momentum or if, again, it acts as a little bit of an area of resistance. Look at that. 6 p.m. last night, what was the high? 21,600 on the dot. Where did we just trade to in the NASDAQ 100? 21,606.25, and we backed off a bit. So watch that area in the NASDAQ 100. Similar action in the S&P, but not quite back up to that same level. You see where we were in the S&P to 6,069. We're trading right now at 6,039. Dow slightly in the red by 52 points or 0.1%, 44,515, and the Russell positive by 0.4%. Crude, look at that pop. What happened with crude? Didn't even look at it last hour, but man, that was quite an hour for crude. $2 to the upside. Crude at 72.69 right now, still negative by 64 pennies, very volatile. Gold coming to you live with all-time highs on gold as we speak. Look at that. Yeah, we just did it, man. Right at 9:30, 28.74. Not often do you get to say, folks, in this moment, gold trading at $2,873 US, all-time highs for that gold contract. We jump over to yields. Things dropping a bit, actually. We've had a little bit of movement in the last hour. We had the 10-year at 4.58 when I kicked off the program, and we are right now sitting at 4.55. 4.55, the yield on the 10-year. And there's a move for you in the dollar, man. How about giving up almost 2 full points from where we were Sunday night? Last night, we were at 109. Today, right now, we're approaching 108. Dollar, a little bit of weakness, off about almost a full point. From 109 to 108, we're at 108.14 right now in the dollar. And as I mentioned, we got Google earnings after the bell. They're up 1.6% right now. And yeah, how about Palantir, man? Up by 26% to $105, almost a $250 billion company now. Folks, thanks so much. We got to replay this hour. And then we got Steve Rhodes coming up at 11 o'clock. He did his program at 8. Fast Market